Choosing the right accounting software is one of the most important decisions a business owner can make. A good platform does more than record income and expenses. It helps you understand your cash flow, stay organized for tax season, and make better financial decisions. With so many options available, ranging from simple bookkeeping apps to full cloud-based systems, it can be tough to figure out which one fits your needs. The goal is to find software that offers the right balance of features, ease of use, and room to grow. Whether you're launching a startup, running a fast-growing company, or improving systems in an established business, the right tool can save you time, prevent mistakes, and give you a clearer view of your numbers. In this guide, we'll cover what to look for when choosing accounting software and how to make sure it supports both your daily workflow and your long-term plans. Must-have features for small businesses. Choosing the right accounting software starts with knowing which features truly matter for your day-to-day operations. Small businesses need tools that simplify bookkeeping, cut down on manual work, and help you stay on top of your numbers. Essential features for efficiency: look for tools that offer invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and clear financial reports. These core features save time and give you a better understanding of your cash flow. Security and compliance: make sure the software protects your financial data. Look for strong security settings, automatic backups, and support for tax-related requirements. Keeping your information safe should always be a priority. Scalability for growth: choose software that can grow with your business. As your operations expand, you may need features like payroll, multi-user access, and more advanced reporting. QuickBooks versus Xero versus FreshBooks, a comparison. Choosing the best platform can feel overwhelming, so comparing features and ease of use can help narrow down your options. QuickBooks offers detailed reports, payroll support, and a full set of tools for managing finances. It works well for businesses that need depth and flexibility. Xero provides a strong cloud-based system with smooth bank reconciliation and easy collaboration. It's a solid choice for teams that need real-time access. FreshBooks focuses on simplicity. It's great for freelancers or service-based businesses that need clean invoicing tools and straightforward tracking. Making the right choice: think about your business needs, your budget, and how much time you're willing to spend learning the software. Trial versions can help you decide without long-term commitment. Cloud accounting. Pros and cons for growing companies. Advantages of cloud accounting: you can access your financial data from any device, work with your team in real time, and automate routine tasks. Cloud systems also handle updates and backups for you. Potential drawbacks: some business owners worry about data security, internet issues, or subscription costs. Choosing a trusted provider and reviewing security settings can help address these concerns. Deciding if cloud accounting is right: consider how your business operates. If you work with remote staff, travel often, or need quick access to your numbers, cloud accounting can be a strong fit. Tips for a smooth software transition: plan your migration. Start by listing the data you need to move, such as invoices, contacts, and payroll records. Remove old or duplicate entries before migrating. Train your team: give your staff time to learn the new system. Even short training sessions can reduce mistakes and build confidence. Test and monitor if possible. Run the old and new systems side by side for a short period. Watch for errors or mismatched entries so you can fix issues early. Ongoing support: keep access to customer support and help guides. Having reliable support makes it easier to resolve problems quickly and avoid downtime. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.